So, you have been searching online about making money and you're thinking of eBay. Maybe you've watched lots of young people on TikTok saying they made lots of money from it. Now you're wondering why, because you see online selling is growing bigger every day and you don't want to give up when you see others succeeding in something you really want to do. And that is why you're here watching this video. Welcome, especially if it's your first time. In this video, we will analyze one particular beginner eBay seller, You Are Smart 2020, who is already generating over $28K in monthly revenue. With only 8K feedback, he is making impressive sales. So let me tell you a bit about us before we start. Now, we are a company that looks at a lot of data from online sellers every day. We learn from what's actually happening in the market, including big sites like eBay. This means we can give you advice that's not just guesswork, but based on real facts. We are here to help you understand how to make your first sale using our tools Zeek Analytics for finding products and Alibaba for getting your products. This method I'll share with you today operates on a 20% profit margin. So if you do the math, that's a profit of around $130 per day. That's quite impressive for someone just starting out on eBay, wouldn't you say? But to sum things up, here is what we are covering. Product research, sourcing your product on Alibaba, listing your product on eBay, after the sale, shipping, and customer service. First, let's talk about us, Zeek Analytics. We are a game changer for anyone looking to sell on eBay. Using Zeek Analytics, you can easily identify which products have high demand but low competition, giving you a clear path to making your first sale. We'll show you how to use Zeek Analytics to find a product that not only sells, but sells well. As a beginner, your initial objective should be to list products that sell rapidly. eBay's algorithm favors momentum, meaning consistent sales can enhance the visibility of your newly listed items. To secure swift and frequent sales, concentrate on what are known as traffic products. These are items that are both affordable and in high demand. On eBay, products priced below $15 typically experience substantial sales volumes. By listing just 4 to 5 of these items, you can significantly improve your early performance. So let's dive in and I'll show you exactly how to find these types of products. Now, welcome to the Market Insights dashboard on Zeek Analytics, your essential tool for starting your product research. Here you can pinpoint top-selling products, key competitors, popular niches, and even upcoming seasonal items. Before we dive in, let's revisit our case study seller, You Are Smart 2020. This seller uses the wholesale model, sourcing products from Alibaba to sell on eBay, and his average product price is a little over $19. Most of his products are traffic products. Following his footsteps to reach $28K a month, you need to set up Zeek for a wholesale model, sourcing from Alibaba. So let's go ahead and adjust our seller settings. Here we're going to go ahead and select ebay.com, and this will be your marketplace, and wholesale as your business model. This way, Alibaba will automatically be your supplier. With the market insights now tailored for Alibaba, we'll focus on low-priced up to $15 high-demand items, starting with the trending product section. Now here, we can already spot several items fitting our criteria. So let's actually go ahead and take a look at this product for example. It sells on eBay for $12.95. cents. Now, in order to get an approximate profit margin, we can go straight from Zeek Analytics and click on the Alibaba logo. Now we see here that the profit margin looks good, but we always have to double check with the supplier. So you're gonna have to go ahead and click here to go directly to the supplier page. Now this looks great. The MOQ starts at 300. So this is your minimum order quantity. In some cases, we don't have to commit to high product quantity, especially for the first time that you are buying products from this particular supplier. You can send the supplier a direct message through the chat in Alibaba. And you should do this by first introducing yourself and your business. Then you can go ahead and politely request a reduction in the MOQ. And you can say this is simply to test the product on eBay and see how well it does. Specify in the direct message that if the first order goes well, we will increase the MOQ and establish a long-term relationship with the supplier. From my personal experience, Alibaba suppliers will be able to reduce the minimum order quantity and maintain the product at a competitive price if they perceive a respectful attitude from us and understand our desire for a long-term business partnership. And here you can see that the price is $540, and this is for the 300 pieces, making it the price of $1.80 per item. So for a quick profit calculation, we can go to the Zeek eBay fee calculator and see the real profit, which in this case is a profit of $9.18. But let's go back and talk a little bit more about Alibaba. They connect you with manufacturers from around the world, offering a vast range of products. But be cautious, not all suppliers are created equal. Look for suppliers with high ratings, good communication, and a track record of quality products. Don't forget to use filter of verified or verified pro suppliers. It's a good option for us if we aim to work with top-notch suppliers that Alibaba has handpicked based on their history of activity on the platform. We will also mark suppliers who have trade assurance. Later in this video, I will show you how to receive trade assurance order from your supplier and why it is so important to pay your supplier using this Alibaba service. Also, check their reviews to make sure they work seamlessly. Now, the supplier we found has 9 years in Alibaba, but no reviews yet on this particular product. So the price is good, but we have to proceed with caution. This is why it's important not only to negotiate prices, but to order samples and ensure the quality meets the standards. The trick here is to ask for quotes from 5 to 7 suppliers and briefly explain your requirements. Your supplier from Alibaba in most cases can be your freight forward and be in charge of shipping the product to you, or a 3PL, which is third-party logistics or warehouse. In the shipping quote, ask the supplier for a DDP shipping quote. DDP stands for Delivered Duty Paid. And this is the most common and highly recommended option, especially for new sellers who don't want to handle shipping procedures. With DDP, the freight forwarder, or in this case, the Alibaba supplier, will take all the costs, responsibilities, and risks until the goods are delivered to the final destination. This includes paying for important clearance duties, insurance, and any other related expenses. All we have to do is pay for the shipping once and expect to receive the product either directly to us or the warehouse we are working with. Now, let's talk about vetting our suppliers. After communication with some suppliers on Alibaba and you receive some samples to your home, it comes to the point that you will have to choose which supplier you will actually continue to work with and buying products from. Here are some of the things that you have to take into consideration when it comes to vetting your suppliers. Price versus product quality. Sometimes the higher price won't be the best product quality, and maybe the lower price item has better quality. And this is the reason we want to have samples before making a huge order. Communication. How effective and responsive is the supplier's communication? We want to work with suppliers that are eager to work with us and can provide us with the best customer care. MOQ, minimum order quantity. Does the supplier's MOQ align with your business needs? Does the price increase due to a smaller MOQ? Organization. Assess if the supplier is well organized in their operations and order processing. Ability to take care of the shipping to you or a 3PL. Can the supplier be our freight forwarder? All questions you need to ask yourself. All of these are key values for you to take before deciding on what supplier you want to work with. After confirming the final price from the supplier, ask the supplier on Alibaba chat, where all the communication with the supplier happens, to send you the payment via a link on Alibaba for trade assurance. The supplier will send you a payment link using Alibaba Trade Insurance, which acts as a buffer between you and the supplier, covering you in case of any issues. In extreme cases, Alibaba, which is in charge of the trade insurance, can provide a full refund on your order. When receiving the trade assurance payment form, ensure that the product you want to buy, the correct quantity, and the shipping price are all specified. Additionally, make sure that the shipping address is updated. You can even use the trade insurance service to send yourself the product samples. All of these steps will protect you in case of any issues with the order by using Alibaba Trade Assurance. Now, the steps of Alibaba Trade Assurance. 1, start a trade assurance order. You can ask for it from your supplier. 2, pay through Alibaba.com. Many payment options are available. 3, payment held in escrow. So the payment will be released to the supplier after the order has been received and confirmed. 4, get money back if order terms are not met. So Alibaba will assist you in reaching a solution, including refunds and compensation for order issues. Alibaba Trade Assurance is not free. There is a small fee that goes to Alibaba as part of the transaction. However, it's completely worth it in any case that may arise. And you can rest assured that you will be covered throughout the product purchase process from A to Z. Think of it this way. This is your brand, your reputation, and your business is on the line. Quality products lead to happy customers and repeat customers. Now, let's go back over to explore the trending eBay sellers. So you're going to have to go ahead and click on the detective icon, and you're in the competitor research mode. Browse through, check the details by clicking the Alibaba icon, and go over the same process as before. Also, while I have you, if we hit 500 likes on this video, I will place in the description a list of 20 winners from Alibaba that will not only help you make your first sales, but boost your sales in general. So go ahead and smash the like button and don't forget to subscribe. Your support really does matter to us. Now, let's say you received the product and now it's time to list them to your store. Now, you can either list it manually or use a lister tool for efficiency. Zeek works seamlessly with top listers and price monitors, and I'm about to demonstrate how I use AutoDS for listing these traffic products. So you're gonna jump into your Zeek folder, see the product we saved, and click Upload All. And your items will be uploaded to AutoDS. From there, you can optimize titles, update specifics, and launch your products on eBay. Now, let's dive into the title optimization with Zeek's Title Builder, a feature I've mentioned before. We'll take one of the products we've already found as an example. So here's how it works. I will enter the product's keywords into the title builder. Now, this tool suggests new effective keywords that can enhance the product title. A great strategy I use in remodeling titles based on what competitors are already doing. Now, this is a time-efficient way to optimize without starting from scratch and often yields to successful results. Now, let's go over another crucial part of our tutorial. We've seen how traffic products can boost your sales, but remember, if you only add these to your store, you'll be dealing with many sales, but smaller profits. So let's switch back to Zeek to hunt for more profitable products. The approach is similar, using market insights, competitor research, and product research tools. However, now we're focusing on products priced between $20 to $50 that offer at least 15 to 20% of a profit margin. This strategy ensures you're on track to make a profit within 3 months. For these products, we're looking for at least 2 sales in 7 days or 5 to 7 sales in the last 30 days. Keep scanning sellers, filtering results, and saving products to meet your criteria. So now let's say you made your first sale. Congratulations! But then what? Well, the work does not stop there. If you want me to make a full guide video about this step, let me know by writing below. This step is all about fulfilling the order, shipping the product, and providing excellent customer service. Aim to ship your products efficiently and cost-effectively, ensuring your customers are happy and likely to come back. You also have to handle customer inquiries and resolve any issues that may arise, building a strong reputation as a reliable seller on eBay. Making your first sale on eBay is an exciting milestone, but it's just the beginning. With the right tools like Zeek Analytics and by following the strategies we've shared, you're well on your way to building a successful online selling business. Remember, success on eBay is more than just making sales. It's about understanding the market, sourcing great products, creating standout listings, and promoting your store. Deliver excellent customer service always. Stick with it, keep learning, and you'll see your efforts pay off. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe for more tips and tricks on making the most of your eBay selling journey.